Hey, welcome to Simply Easy Cooking. Today we're making a classic enchilada pasta. Let's get cooking. Start by heating 1 tablespoon of olive oil in a pot. Next, add 2 pounds of hamburger, diced onions, 1 teaspoon of pepper, and half of teaspoon of salt. Next, cook and mix the hamburger until browned, then drain the excess grease. Then, mix in 3 teaspoons of taco seasoning. Next, stir in 20 ounces of enchilada sauce. After that, mix in 2 cups of beef broth. Then add in 8 ounces of uncooked rotini pasta. Stir it thoroughly, then cover on medium heat until it begins to boil. Once it's boiling, uncover the pot. Then add 1 teaspoon of pepper. Stir it thoroughly and let it simmer for about 20 minutes or until it thickens. Once it has thickened, stir in 1½ cups of Colby Jack cheese. And there you have it, a delicious dinner that's bound to be a hit with everyone. It's simple, flavorful, and perfect for any night. Be sure to like and subscribe for more easy, delicious recipes. See you next time.